Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthea Style. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new here and it's your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any upcoming new videos. For my tablescape this fall, I'm choosing to use a beautiful crochet tablecloth which was made by one of my husband's aunts, Aunt Thelma, in the East Coast. So shout out to Aunt Thelma. This is a beautifully made crochet tablecloth in a very creamy color, and I'm using it as my table runner this year by just simply gathering it at one end, and then at the other end I'll gather it and I'll swirl it to the other direction on the table to just kind of create a little bit of movement and flow so it's not just laid straight. Then I'm going to be decorating it by using some items in my collection. My colors for fall this year were the deep oranges and reds with creams and whites. So this arrangement I put together and put in this beautiful country picture. And I always love to use candles in my decor, and I just love the smell of fall candles. Here is a ceramic pumpkin that I'm using in a cream color, and then some other pumpkins in my fall colors to tie everything in together. Next, I'm going to be placing a beautiful tea set that I got in a yard sale, and it is very vintage, very old and weathered, but I like the fact that I'm mixing some old with new. I just feel it creates a little bit more character and brings some warmth to my table for this fall season. I hope you all have enjoyed this video today and that you've gotten some ideas and tips to use in your own homes when decorating your tables. And if you haven't followed me already on Instagram, please head on over to @AntheaStyle for more of my home, garden, and crochet. Thank you for watching.